Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this lecture, that is lecture 3rd of unit 1st, I will be solving another numerical on the unit 1st, that is electric charges and fields. So as I told you in the last two lectures that we are in a process of solving all the unsolved numericals related to your NCERT physics part A and B both. So till now we have solved the first two numericals of the first unit. So today I will be taking the third. So I'm expecting that till now you have understood all the things that I have been teaching from last two lectures. So today I will be taking the third numerical, and as I have been saying repetitively, today also I will be saying that if you have any kind of problem related to any of the question related to NCERT physics part A or part B, and from the questions that we have already done, so you can mail me at gaganbansal12345@gmail.com. The description I have been giving in the description box, and also you can find them on my YouTube channel. So today let's take the third question. So numerical of unit 1st NCERT physics part A exercises of unit 1, that is your topic is electric charges and field. So the third numerical is the question 1.3. It says, so I am coming directly to the question. So it says, check that the ratio ke square upon g memp is dimensionless. Look up a table of physical constants. I am pre-expecting that you have a table of physical constants, and till date you have I think learned all the formulas as well as the values of constants. So I'm pre-expecting all these things, and if not, you can see your NCERT textbook and you can use all the dimensions, all the physical constants and their values. So the question is, check that the ratio ke square g memp is dimensionless. Look up a table by physical constants and determine the value of this ratio. What does this ratio signify? So let's start with the solution directly. Okay, so as I have been saying repetitively, today also we will be doing in the same manner. First of all, we will see in the question what all the things are given, what is being asked, and what is the formula used. So here it is not like that. Here we are already given with the expression. So given an expression, what is this expression? You can write down. Yes, it is ke square upon g memp, and we need to show that this ratio is dimensionless. So first of all, we will try to find the dimensions of all these, say k, e, g, me and mp. So for that we know what is this k, what is this small e, what is this g, what is this me, and what is this mp. So first of all, let's take every point one by one. So first of all, we know that k, it is a constant which is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, where this epsilon naught is your permittivity of free space. Yes, will not go to that deep, but just for your revision point of view, I am repeating all these things again and again. So k is a constant and its value is how much? 9 into 10 raised to the power 9, and its unit is Newton meter square per Coulomb square. So what I have done is I have taken first say k, yes, which is a constant and its value is 9 into 10 raised to the power 9, and unit is Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Second, E, that is electric charge, its unit is C. Yes, that is Coulomb. Also we can write directly here only the value of small e, that is electric charge, is 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb, that is electric charge on an electron. Yes, how much it is? 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb per electron. Yes. Okay, now next is G, that is a gravitational constant. Its unit is how much? You can write yes, the unit of gravitational constant is Newton meter square per kg square. I will write the value of the gravitational constant also. It is 6.67, yes, into 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, so these all things like the values of the constant A, the value of the electric charge on an electron, the value of the gravitational constants, and everything is given in your physical constants table. Next is your ME, that is mass of electron, and MP is your mass of proton, and its unit is how much? Kg. Yes, now I will write the mass of electron also. How much is the mass of electron? It is 9.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 31 kg. Similarly, mass of one proton is equals to how much? I am just clarifying. 1.66, yes, into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kg. Okay, now I have written the units also, I have written the value of the constant also. So now putting all these dimensions in this particular formula, that is K E square upon G E M P. So the unit of K is Newton meter square per coulomb square. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm just, this is Newton meter square per coulomb square. Then E square means C square, yes, upon G, that is Newton meter square upon kg square. And then for ME and MP it will be kg into kg, that is kg square. Okay, now let's check. Here Newton meter square, here also Newton meter square in denominator and numerator. Here C square and C square, they can be cancelled. Here kg square and kg square, so it comes out to be 1, that is a constant. 1 upon 1 is constant, or we can say that M0, L0, T0, the way we write the dimensionless number. And it is proved that, what has been proved? It is proved that this constant is a dimensionless number. Hope it is clear. Okay, so now let's move forward. We know the physical constants value, that is E 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19, G 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Mass of electron, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 31 kg. And mass of proton, that is 1.66 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kg. Now putting all these values for the constant, so putting all these values in our given expression was K E square upon G ME MP. So putting all these value, K is 9 into 10 raised to the power 9 into e square means 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19. Wait, I will make it whole square. Okay, so e square upon my writing is not good, you have to compromise with it, but we are making the concepts here. Okay, so g is how much? 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 into me is 9.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 31 into mp, that is mass of proton, it is 1.66 into 10 raised to the power minus 27. So solve this, you will finally get how much? I'm just writing the answer directly. It will come out to be, you should not write exactly what I am writing. Okay, you should cross check, and if you find any mistake you should mention that, so that it will not be repeated for others also. Okay, so 2.3 into 10 raised to the power 39, and it will be a dimensionless number as we have already proved. Okay, so it is also asking us that what does this signify, what does this value 2.3 into 10 raised to the power 39 signify? So it signifies that it is the ratio of electric force to the gravitational force. This you have seen from your notebook also. So the ratio of electric force to the gravitational force between the proton and an electron, keeping distance between them as constant, that is when the r is constant, so it comes out to be 2.3 into 10 raised to the power 39, and the expression can be written as k e square upon g me mp. So hope it is clear. Thank you so much. So we have solved the first 3 numericals of our unit 1, and if you have any problem or any query related to any of the numerical, so you can contact me at Gagan Bansal 12345 @gmail.com. So thank you very much.